guys, Colorado Native Gal. Probably can't hear me, this wind is crazy right now. I'm in Chatfield. It's about 11:30. Or actually it's a little after 11. But yeah. They said wind, so maybe rain tomorrow afternoon. So we'll see how long I stay tomorrow. But yeah. Delilah. Do you want to say hi, Delilah? Delilah. Aww. She's just resting. She's probably wondering if we're going to live this way again. Years ago we actually lived this way for quite a few years. I wasn't on YouTube then though. I didn't even know about YouTube. So, yeah. I wish I would have known. Because it would have been more interesting, I think. But, no. I didn't know until 2021 this was even happening. Beautiful clouds today. Their flag is blowing in the wind. But yeah, from 2014 to beginning of 2020, and my mom got sick with pancreatic cancer, stage 4. They gave her 9 months. I took care of her. And I started my YouTube channel when I got my place in 2021. Between that time, I stayed with my brother. Yep. Stayed with my brother for a year. Then I moved into my new apartment and I really love it. Been there ever since. Lost my youngest son though to suicide in 2023. Just so thankful I had my apartment then. Because if I was living out and about when that happened, I don't know if I would have been able to handle it physically or mentally. Being handicapped is huge. So, on your body. Being handicapped is huge mentally, physically, every which way you can imagine. So it's not any fun. But I do my best. I try to stay strong. Well, I just wanted to share this little bit with you guys. A little bit about me, my background. But I'm glad to be on YouTube, and I hope my channel starts growing soon. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I got a hot air balloon. Getting ready to leave this park. I might hang out here and do some more stuff today, but I don't know. It's pretty cold. So, it's not even 50 degrees, so I'll probably just head home. Come back on my week off. I think I got a week off coming up soon. So, yeah, I think I'll come back then. Say goodbye to the old park, guys. Can barely see the balloon on my GoPro though. I'll try it on my phone. Alright, over and out, guys.